Hi guys, good morning, welcome back to my channel. So today we are trying a cake method. I saw this method on this YouTube by Life with Rosie or something like that. Yeah, Life with Rosie. So cake without oven, using cake with blender. What am I saying? Cake using blender without oven. Use blender to mix the owotigo, then no oven, use the pot to bake. So that's what I'm doing this one. I want to try it out to see how it will come out. If it come out well, I'll post it. If it did not, or more, I go jack back.
Give it to me like.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Good morning from here. In case it's your first time, please do consider to subscribe. Yeah, so we are doing cake. We are baking cake today. I saw this on YouTube by Life with Rosie on YouTube. So I'm doing her method today. She said cake with blender without oven. So that's what we are doing today. So these are my ingredients. I'm using her measurement. So she said 2 cups of flour, 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of oil, 1/4 okay, 2/3 cup of milk, 1/4 tablespoon of salt. That is 1/4, if you can see it. Yeah, and a tablespoon of vanilla extract. This is it. Then 1 cup of sugar. This is 1 cup of sugar, and this is my 2 tablespoons of baking powder and 4 eggs. So let's start with the experiment. So first of all, she said using blender for this. So she said we first of all pour the oil. 1 cup of oil inside the blender. Then followed by the egg. This is 4 eggs. The sugar and the milk will enter now. Milk, the vanilla extract, then you blend. As you can see, I'm washing it and doing it at the same time. Blend. So let's do the blending. All the dry ingredients, we have to add it inside the flour, and the salt. Then add the blended ingredients inside the flour. Mix together. We are still mixing it so that it will be smooth. Okay, she said we should oil the pan. So I'm about to oil the pan with this brush. I'm using hot pan. We are done mixing. We have done mixing. So let me oil the pan.
Oh, yeah.
After that, you add the spray flour inside the pan so that the cake will not stick. Yeah, so back to the stove. She said we should spray salt. Spray salt.
I don't really care too much.
Then you add the, I don't know what this is called. Add whatever. Oh. You have to heat this for 10 minutes before baking your cake. Yeah. Okay guys, the pot has been heating for 10 minutes, so I'm about to add the cake so we can start the baking. Hey! You come back. Baking, so I have to lower the heat. She said we should lower the heat. I'm doing what she said though, so okay. Then wait for that 5 to 40 minutes or so let's wait. So guys, this has been baking for 45 minutes. I set the timer, so I'm about to shake it now. Hey! I beg the video. No, not too much. Where you go for? Hey! Don't overpour. Like you overpour. This thing is too small to contain it. But anyways, it comes out nice. We try. This is my first time of baking. Ever baking in my life. Woo! Let me bring it out.
Give it to me like.
So guys, I'm about to test the cake and see how it comes out. Yeah, this is a cutout of it. Wow. It's nice.
Give it to me like.